Ablaze is a beautiful processional outdoor performance that takes audiences along the banks of the Kennet and Avon Canal. It's part of the Corn Exchange's free programme of outdoor arts events, which brings together thousands of people every year to enjoy beautiful, spectacular, magical outdoor arts performances. We've got 40 floating braziers along the canal and musicians littered along the route and some fire installations. And then in Victoria Park we have a beautiful fire garden by company Cie Carabosse from France, which features hundreds of fire pots, beautiful metal sculptures, swings that swing audiences over fire pots, and a floating stage in the centre of the park as well. It really is absolutely mesmeric, and beautiful poetry with fire and music.
We make outdoor art and performing art in the public space, and since 30 years.
Every project we do is exciting. It is to make each unique place look beautiful and to transform a place that you can walk through every day, and suddenly in the night you can walk through and you rediscover it in a totally different way.
Well, there's nobody like Carabosse in the world. They tour all over the world with these fantastic installations and just create this magical world of fire. Very special to have had something like this in the town over so many years. I think it really brings the community together. It really creates a sense of magic and wonder.
I really like the guy on the bicycle, like balancing the fire. That was really cool.
Yeah, I love just like seeing Newbury transformed with fire. It's just like seeing it in a whole new light. It's so cool.
Our favourite part, Rose, I know what yours is. The spinning fire thing. Mine's got to be the music.
We enjoy the music. We clicked some nice pics. Yeah, overall we enjoyed it. Yeah.
And having an event in Newbury is nice. It's a nice night out with the kids.
It's absolutely beautiful, and also it's just really nice hearing people's comments and everything about what they see, and everybody's just enjoying themselves.
Yeah, that's cool. That helter-skelter, like not helter-skelter, but it looks like it. Where it's like turning around and stuff. The flames, yeah, it's really cool. Really cool. It's really cool to see all the fire and stuff. Yeah.
It's really nice to see so many people, and I know it's on for the whole weekend, so it's really nice to see, and I'm really glad that the Corn Exchange has put this on.
Just getting people out and like seeing everyone together is just really nice.
Look around me tonight and just seeing how many different ages, how many different backgrounds the people here are from, and everybody's coming together, meeting each other, and having this truly magical experience, which hopefully they'll remember for years to come.